In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an SSL certificate to your Zoho Commerce store. So I'm just going to go into the site and then I want to jump over to the settings. Now there are two settings here. So you've got the settings which are for the online store, and then you've got the site settings which are for the website component. Now you want to come over to the top settings area. Then once we're in the top settings area, we can come over to this configure section and you can see we've got domains and SSL. First of all, you need to have your custom domain configured. And you do that by adding your domain. Once you put the details in, if you've already got a domain, you can put it in here and then click continue. You're going to get some extra information that you need to send to your developer or put into your domain name manager. Now, we use Ripper Hosting. That's one of our businesses, and a link will be in the comments. So once you've authenticated your domain, come back to the settings area and then go down to the SSL. Now, your domain needs to be verified. So once your domain has had time to be checked on the domain name settings, then it needs up to 72 hours to be able to go around the global servers. So that means that it needs to save a bit of information in every server so that it can help find its way back to your site. So then you come to the SSL, and then in the SSL, you can click Get SSL Certificate. And that will request an SSL automatically and free from Zoho. So once they've applied the SSL certificate, which sometimes can take 5 minutes or sometimes up to a day, or you can install your own, which is a little bit more technical, and you should refer to your developer or come and see us if you need help with that. If you found this video useful, please subscribe, hit like, and give us a thumbs up. And for more information on Zoho Commerce, you should watch this video.